Today we are taking Brown Bear on the outdoor course for the first time on video. I would like to welcome you back to Jan's RC. Today I'm going to be taking my trusty and maybe my favorite car, Brown Bear, out to my outdoor course for the first time for it to be filmed. If you're wondering, it does have some upgrades. It has Endura beadlock wheels. They're not brass, just standard aluminum. And it has LGRP, Little Guy Racing parts, claw hammer tires. It also has Endura brass links here. And inside, there's even more. There is a FuriTech Unity Pro TRX 4M motor, and it has the Spectrum 3-channel receiver in it, and it also has an upgraded Traxxas servo to metal gears, so it does not break as easily. So now let's go out to the outdoor course. Now we are back after that amazing course run from Brown Bear. It did very good. We just had a couple struggles there with some rollovers on the roots or longs underneath my pipe bridge. But other than that, it did very well. And comment down below what car you want to see do the outdoor course next. It could be any car, 1 to 10th scale, or SCX 24th. Like the Deadbolt, Brown Bear, Terra X, the Bronco, the Mojave. That would really be very funny. There's also the Capra, the Gladiator, and the Defender. Comment down below with which one of any of those cars you would like to see do the course next. Thank you for watching. Bye!